After turning on the robot, make sure the line is connected properly. The first button, when pressed to the left, is add current. Turning to the right means reducing current. The second button, turn to the left, is add voltage. Turning to the right means voltage reduction. The fourth button is the clear function, which clears the program we edited. Just like the clear function in the teach pendant. The fifth button is start. The last button is the stop button.